Hello everyone, I am Dr. Alka Singh, Professor, Head of the Department of Floriculture and Landscape Architecture at Navsari Agricultural University, Navsari. We all love flowers. Do you? Oh yes. Will you all tell me why do we love flowers? We love flowers because flowers keep us stress-free. They act as stress buster. And what is the reason behind that? Flowers are beautiful. Flowers symbolize beauty and vitality. Flowers represent aesthetic and positive aspect of life. And when we look at flowers, they are blooming, they are opening, same kind of feeling we feel inside our heart too. And that is why I would ask you all to develop a hobby that connects you directly or indirectly with flowers. This could be gardening or it could be flower arrangement. Flower arrangement is one such beautiful hobby. It's a wonderful art and technique of arranging flowers in a container in an aesthetic manner and taking care that the post-harvest life of flowers is not affected. So you have beautiful arrangement that lasts for a long time. Now in flower arrangement, basically there are two categories. One is Western style of flower arrangement and another one is Ikebana. Now Western style, it deals with geometrical shapes, geometrical forms, and it's more of mass kind of arrangement. While Ikebana, it represents nature and thus it is very different from Western style. So let's learn about different style of flower arrangement, and today I will be showing you about Western style of flower arrangement. Now in Western style of flower arrangement we will see a beautiful style which is called as curve. Now since the word denotes curve, we will see how we can make it. It's very easy to make and you need certain foliage like Areca palm, you need some ferns, you need some asparagus, and any kind of mass flowers, could be roses or could be Gerbera. So today we will see that. So how you will begin with? So we will begin with line material, that is, here I am using Areca palm. There goes first line, and for second line I will be using fern. We can make a line strong by using double foliage, like we can mix fern with Areca palm. Yeah, there it is. So this is giving a kind of S curve. So this is the mass effect we have given. Now we will take some asparagus, Fern asparagus. They are beautiful foliage as filler, and the beautiful dark color with delicate leaves gives it a really delicate effect. I'll be filling up all the space with this kind of Fern asparagus. As you can see, you can just cut down the extra green stuff so that the shape which we want to can be retained.
So here I'll show you again. I've used Areca palm, fern, asparagus to give a line effect, and I've used gladiolus along with that, and a few gerberas. Some Dracaena also to give that mix and merge kind of feeling with yellow and greens.
So I hope you all enjoyed learning flower arrangement with me, and if you have any queries regarding flower arrangement or any other design or any pattern, then please do comment at the comment section below. And remember to send me photograph of the flower arrangement you make at my Instagram ID. Before you leave, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.